How to change your age on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have made a mistake while setting up your YouTube account or need to update your birthday to remove age restriction, well, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your age on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. So since YouTube doesn't have a direct option to change your birthday, we'll need to do it through Google. So simply open the Google app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with the account that is linked to your YouTube. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on option label manage your Google account. And after tapping on that, you'll be prompted to the page where you can edit your account details. And once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the option labeled personal info. Now, in this section, simply scroll down and tap on birth date. And after that, simply update your day, month, and year of birth to correct date. And you can also choose whether your birthday is to be private or visible to others. And once you have entered the correct birth date, simply tap on Save button to update it. And that's it. Now you have successfully changed your age on YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.